Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ramadan Mubarak. We want to extend Ramadan greetings to all of the people out there, all the Muslims, wherever they are, but also especially to those who have been such ardent supporters of the college. May Allah bless all of you, increase you, elevate you. Inshallah, may Allah bless your Ramadan. We're up here with Dr. Youssef Ismail, who's our resident muwaqqit or timekeeper. He teaches astronomy at Zaytuna and also calculus and geometry and Maliki fiqh. So he's been, since I've known him, which is now over 30 years, he has been going out every month and sighting the moon, which is a communal obligation. And alhamdulillah, we came out today with the students and some of the faculty here. We're actually on Zaytuna property. And we, alhamdulillah, sighted the moon, which is clearly there. Do you want to say a few things about it?
Yeah, mashallah. So alhamdulillah, we have a new spring moon right here coming in. It's about 4 fingers above the horizon right now. And it's joined this month, mashallah, by Mercury just above it. Venus just higher than that, and we've got the other planets up in the sky as well tonight. And it was a very Mubarak night. Alhamdulillah, we had some clouds earlier in the day, and the forecast was really sketchy. But look at Allah cleared the sky for us, alhamdulillah, and we have a very, very beautiful moon for Ramadan. So Ramadan Mubarak to all, inshallah, and may Allah accept our fasting and our fast.
Also, Dr. Yusuf is actually just finished recording a course on astronomy that is going to be up for those who are interested in. If you go to zaytuna.edu and look on the courses that are offered, it's going to be, I think, a really wonderful course. So I hope you all consider taking that. Astronomy is part of the legacy of Islam. The stars belong to our Prophet ﷺ. Out of the 51 navigational stars, over 40 have Arabic names, because it was the Muslims that gave them the names that eventually went to Europe. Right. Yeah. So it's really important to remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the heavens to glorify Him, and that's why we go out and we look at the moon. And now we have a certainty that's very different from looking at a calendar or reading about it. Exactly. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, so Ramadan Mubarak. Allahumma ahilla alayna bil-yumni wal-iman wa salamati wal-islam. Rabbi wa rabbuka Allah. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.